What a grand idea for a trip. Pack your woolly jumper, an old map, and a big flask of tea. We're off to Norway. This is a land that feels handmade, with mountains like gentle giants and water so blue it looks painted. Our journey isn't about rushing. It's about wandering and wondering, like a Sunday walk, but on a grand scale. The air is fresh, scented with pine and sea, and every breath fills you with excitement. We're not chasing busy cities, but searching for quiet magic. A storybook world of soft heels and bright colors. Imagine everything made of clay green hills, red houses, even the clouds. Norway feels both real and dreamlike, a place where your imagination runs wild. Every corner promises a new surprise, maybe even a talking animal offering a biscuit. So, boots on, we're off to the famous fjords, secret paths, and peaceful villages. This is an adventure for explorers seeking beauty and calm. Each step is part of a story, filled with gentle giants, sparkling waters, and quiet magic. We're not just visitors, we're part of the landscape, creating memories as we go. Let's begin our journey and see what wonders await. Norway is ready for us. Our first stop, the fjords. Imagine towering green cliffs rising from deep blue water, waterfalls tumbling like ribbons. We set out in a small red boat, the putt-putt echoing between the cliffs. The world felt enormous and we felt tiny, like toy boats in a giant's bathtub. Seals popped up to say hello, and waterfalls sent cool sprays over our faces. The quiet was alive with distant seagull cries and the gentle lapping of water. As the sun set, the cliffs glowed orange and pink, reflected in the glassy water. We sipped tea, soaking in the peace and beauty. The fjords aren't just a sight, they're a feeling of awe and calm. It's a place to just be, surrounded by nature's grandeur. We left the fjords feeling lucky, peaceful, and amazed. Norway's magic was just beginning. After the fjords, we searched for a secret spot. Off the map, up a sheep's trail through heather and mossy rocks. The air buzzed with bees and smelled of wildflowers as we climbed higher. At the top, a hidden clearing revealed a sweeping valley and a sparkling river below. We unpacked crusty bread, sweet Bruno's cheese, and hot tea for a perfect picnic. There's nothing like a meal in the wild with only sheep for company. Our secret spot wasn't in any guidebook. It was our own discovery. These quiet corners are the best, found by curiosity and a bit of adventure. We left no trace, just happy memories of a simple, perfect moment. Sometimes the best places are the ones you stumble upon. Norway rewards those who wander. Down from the hills, we found a tiny village by the water. Wooden houses painted red, yellow, and white, with grass roofs. Smoke curled from chimneys, and the streets were cobbled and quiet. We wandered past a bakery, a post office, and a shop selling hand-knitted jumpers. Friendly faces greeted us with smiles and nods. At the harbor, colorful boats bobbed, and an old fisherman showed us his catch. We chatted with gestures and laughter, sharing a simple moment. The village felt timeless, peaceful, and full of small joys. We sat by a white church, watched children play, and a cat stretch in the sun. Happiness here was found in fresh bread, warm smiles, and a slow pace. It was a cozy corner of the world, and we felt lucky to be part of it. Next, we tackled the famous Trollstigen, the Troll's Path, a zigzag trail up a steep mountain. The climb was tough, but each turn revealed a new, breathtaking view. Waterfalls thundered down, the valley spread below, and clouds drifted close enough to touch. The landscape felt wild and ancient, perfect for troll tales and adventure. We imagined trolls peeking from behind mossy rocks as we hiked. At the top, a platform jutted over the valley. Standing there felt like being on top of the world. The wind whipped around us, but the sense of achievement was worth every step. Sometimes, the hardest climbs lead to the best views. We celebrated with tea and biscuits, grinning at our accomplishment. Trollstigen was a true adventure, dramatic, wild, and unforgettable. Norway's landscapes make you feel alive. We were ready for whatever came next. As nights grew longer, we traveled north, hoping for the northern lights. Bundled in woolly hats and scarves, we waited by a silent frozen lake. The sky was clear, stars sparkling like diamonds, the world hushed and expectant. Suddenly, a green glow appeared on the horizon, growing and swirling across the sky. The lights danced, green, pink, violet, like a living curtain of color. We stood in awe, speechless, letting the magic fill our hearts. No photos, just memories, pure wonder under the vast night sky. The northern lights felt like a secret gift from the universe. It was a moment of quiet magic, impossible to describe. We sipped hot chocolate, grateful for the beauty before us. Seeing the lights was the perfect ending to our adventure. Norway's wonders had one last surprise. We would never forget it. All good things end, even a grand trip to Norway. As we packed, we felt full of memories. Fjords, cheese picnics, village smiles, and the northern lights. Norway gave us peace, quiet, and a sense of wonder. We learned to slow down, notice the little things, and find joy in simplicity. No fancy gadgets needed, just curiosity and a good pair of boots. Norway felt like a gentle friend, sharing its secrets and beauty. We carried home not souvenirs, but inspiration and calm. It was a cracking good trip, one for the memory books. We knew we'd return because Norway's magic calls you back. It's a land of dreams and absolutely wonderful.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.